What up? It's me, Inky, to the Skeleton Gaming here, bringing you another video. By the way, my mic is really loud because something went wrong with it. So yeah. Oof! And plus, I can do oof with it now. Oof! By the way, I um. I know that Jailbreak's removing the extra storage thing, so I bought the Game Pass like right now. So what I did after that is after I got it, I'm waiting for it to retire, so then this is what I can win. It is money, rocket fuel, and a spoiler. Hopefully you get like about 2 million cash. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully, heartfully. No. So what I'm gonna do right now? Musically will be linked in the description. I think. Hopefully. Hopefully my editor does that. Okay, so what I'm gonna play right now, let's see what games I was playing because my cousin was on my account. And yeah, so, yeah, my cousin brother's not on my account anymore. Guess he showed me to play that game because he's offline. I'm gonna play Zombie Rush. Let's see what level I'm on. I totally forgot. I might be on level 500, I don't know. Okay, where's the zombie? Okay, I found zombies. Ooh! I bet you heard that. Ooh! Ooh! Okay, so loading in the game. Oh, oh, my eye is so itchy today. Oof. Open video editor. Nah. Okay, I'm in the game. I'm loading. By the way, I record with Screencast-O-Matic. It's a free recorder. Yeah. 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 No, I'm on 413th level. Just like 100 more, and then I'm at level 500. Like, and then 600 more until I'm on level 1000. Oh, I think I have the freeze ray equipped. I think. Oof, why am I in Discord? Discord. Okay, I have to revive somewhere. I need to check Discord. Alright, I need to get my phone. It's on the other side of my room. Okay, I got it. Nope, you're not getting me, you people. Let me see who messaged me on Discord. Okay, I was just on Musically. Okay, oof. Oof. Okay, so I'm going to Discord. Let's see who messaged me. Oh, my friend is in the game. Gucci Mane. Hello. 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 Hello, Gucci Mane. Hello. Hello, Gucci Mane. Oof, I bet she doesn't even know what my YouTube channel is. I'm Rick. Hello, Gucci Mane. Hello, Gucci Mane. Oof. Every time I lose damage, I'm gonna say oof. 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 What are they doing? How are they doing that? The skeleton was just moving by itself. No, it obviously moves by itself. It was moving where I was going. It was like flying. It's like Superman. Oof. Pa-pow, pa-pow, pa-pow. Oof, 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 oof. Oh! Oh, this is a Spanish server. Okay. I'm the best person in the server. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my YouTube channel. I'm at 64 subscribers. I'm at the max subscribers because that's the max in Minecraft to have a stack. 64. And that's how much subscribers I have. A max. A max. Ooh. I forgot to check Discord. Discord is... Yeah, Discord. Discord is Discord is Discord. I don't know what I said. Discord is Discord. Discord is Discord. I don't get how I laugh from that. Did I forget my challenge? If I lose damage, I say oof. Yeah, I think I forgot. Skeleton. No, the skeleton gaming's gone. Oh, hello, skeleton gaming. Hello, skeleton gaming. Hi, skeleton gaming. Don't kill skeleton gaming. I love skeleton gaming. I'm skeleton gaming. I'm skeleton gaming. Oof! No! Skeleton gaming's gone. No! I rarely play Zombie Rush. That's why I'm playing it today. Oof, no, 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 don't get me, don't get me, don't get me. Yay, the blue skeleton gaming, that's my main color! Yay, I'm a baby! Yeah, I have the speed coil. Oof. No, you guys can't catch me, I have the speed coil. You can't even afford a speed coil, you zombies. You guys are already dead, so you can't even get a speed coil for Robux. Yeah, you can't even get the tier package to get this. You can't even get Fortnite, even though it's free. Okay, I rarely kill people. I rarely be a zombie in Zombie Rush, and I rarely play Zombie Rush. And Discord is Discord. This Honda Accord is Discord. Discord is Discord. Yeah, that makes sense now. This Honda Accord is Discord. Discord is Discord. Discord is Discord. Discord is Discord. Hey, Skeleton Gamings. Skeleton Gamings. Yay, Skeleton Gamings are following me. Yay. Oof. Oof. Skeleton Gaming, why do you hate me? Oof, I lost damage. Oof. No, I'll kill them for you. I'll help you. Help you. I'll help you. Help you. Yep, there you go. No problem. My channel. Okay, I know how to auto walk, so you hold your speed coil just in case you have it to speed faster. Then while you're holding W, press the chat button and then you're auto walking. Yay! Look, I'm clapping. I'm not even holding anything. No, I really don't like when this happens. At Discord! Discord, stop, stop. Stop, I told you I can beat you. I'm at level 414. Oof, I need to go somewhere high up. I'm gonna go in this tree. If you don't think I'm wrecked, my channel is the Skeleton Gaming, and the I'm there with gear 64 subs. Yeah, 64 subs. Yeah, yours at 64 subs. Why is numbers hashtags? I don't like that numbers are hashtags. What did numbers ever do to you, Roblox? Huh? What did numbers ever do to you, Roblox? If you watch this, Roblox, please unban numbers so then everybody can say numbers. Oof, oof, oof. Okay. Oh. By the way, I'm gonna give out a free account with Robux soon. When I get that account Robux, you can change the username and everything. Anything. You can change anything. You can change anything. I'm gonna give away one of the accounts with the Robux. Not this account. This is my main. I'm not giving out my main. I'm not giving out my main. Plus, I have two-step verification on this account, so yeah. I can't. Plus, I put in my email in this account. Two-step verification on. Miss. Oof, let me bring my dog. Okay, I'm gonna let my dog talk. Hopefully you guys heard that. Oof! No, you can't even get me, you pan. I don't know. New player in this zombie rush. Maybe he's an old player and he's still using the pan. Yeah, maybe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because I have to go for my karate graduation. So, bye.